Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Untitled 26. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 at any laptop. The first thing you're going to need is something like this, which is a bootable USB flash drive with Windows 10 ISO file inside. You can download Windows 10 ISO file directly and legally from Microsoft website, and then use programs like Rufus to create your bootable USB flash drive. After that, you are ready for the next step. Now keep in mind that depending on your laptop brand and model, different keys will guide you at BIOS settings, so the first thing you should do is Google it. Now, in order to save you money and time, down at the description I got a list for you with the right hotkeys for any brand, so check it before you spend your time by searching. Before we continue, I must mention that there is a tricky part because you need to make some changes so your PC can give you the option to boot from your bootable USB flash drive, because now you are not be able to choose it because it doesn't even exist even as an option. So let's get started. We put our USB flash drive at any USB port, just like right here. Press the power button and then immediately hit the F2 button multiple times until BIOS environment appears. So what you have to do, first of all, you must disable fast BIOS mode option, which is at advanced fast BIOS mode. Now it's enable and you should turn it as disable. Now we need to turn ASCII mode control from auto to manual, which is this option right here under the previews. So we choose it, we press enter, and then we reselect manual option. Now we go at boot options and we need to disable the secure boot. So we choose secure boot and we disable it. Last but not least, you must change your OS operating system mode selection from UEFI to UEFI and Legacy OS operating system. Once again, this option is under the previews, so we choose OS mode selection and we choose from UEFI to UEFI and Legacy OS. We press OK, we save our changes, we exit from BIOS, and now we are ready to start. Now we're gonna hit the F2 button one more time, once again multiple times until the BIOS environment appears. And now, as we can see, it will give you the opportunity to select the external source, which in our case is our bootable USB flash drive. So let's check it. Boot priority, and here we go. This is our hard disk and this is our bootable USB flash drive. We're gonna make it first by pressing the F5, F6 button, which change BIOS. Now try to remember that either you hit the F10 button and choose your USB flash drive, or you hit the F2 button and change the boot priority by choosing your USB flash drive as your first boot option. It's exactly the same. So let's save our changes. Save configuration and reset. Yes. Very important is to remember that we never remove our bootable USB flash drive especially when start flashing, which means that it's working. Installing Windows 10 procedure has already started. And of course, like you can see, we are able to install our brand new Windows 10. And that's it. So that was our tech video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.